Chapter 2: The Big Secret of Dealing with People. There is only one way under high heaven to get anybody to do anything, and that is by making the other person want to do it. Of course, you can make someone hand over their watch by sticking a gun in their ribs. You can make employees cooperate by threatening to fire them. But these crude methods have sharply undesirable repercussions. The only way to get you to do anything is by giving you what you want. So, what do you want? Sigmund Freud said that everything you and I do springs from two motives: the desire to be great and the desire for intimacy. The deepest urge in human nature, according to philosopher John Dewey, is the desire to be important. Remember that phrase, the desire to be important. It is what separates us from the animals. It drove Lincoln to study law by firelight. It inspired Dickens to write his immortal novels. This desire for a feeling of importance is one of the chief distinguishing differences between mankind and the animals. It is the desire that has been responsible for civilization itself. Now, how do you make people feel important? Not through flattery. Flattery is counterfeit, and like counterfeit money, it will eventually get you into trouble. The difference between appreciation and flattery: one is sincere and the other insincere. One comes from the heart out, the other from the teeth out. One is universally admired, the other is universally condemned. Give honest, sincere appreciation. Charles Schwab, one of the first people in American business to be paid a salary of over $1 million a year, said his greatest asset was his ability to arouse enthusiasm among his people. And the way to develop the best in a person is through appreciation and encouragement. Schwab declared, quote, "There is nothing else that so kills the ambitions of a person as criticisms from superiors. I never criticize anyone. I believe in giving a person incentive to work. So I am anxious to praise, but loath to find fault." End quote. That was the secret of his success. Let us cease thinking about our accomplishments and our wants. Let us try to figure out the other person's good points. Then forget flattery. Give honest, sincere appreciation. Be hearty in your approbation and lavish in your praise. And people will cherish your words and treasure them and repeat them over a lifetime, long after you have forgotten them. That is the big secret of dealing with people.